Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT error in body stream. All right. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, basic fixes first. Go ahead and check your connections or internet connection. All right. Make sure that you have a stable connection, as unstable connection causes this issue as well. And if you do have ad blockers or VPNs, disable them for now. All right. So once those are cleared, go ahead and check your ChatGPT and check if it works. If not, let's move forward. All right. So in here, for example, this is the chat that is having an error. So what you'll do is basically click on the try again or the circular arrow button and click on try again or think longer and check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, you'll have to modify your input prompt. Let's say you have a ton of text right here and ChatGPT didn't understand it. So what you'll do is shorten your query. All right. So for example, create an image that looks like me. All right. And then just hit enter. Then you can go ahead and add in some prompts the next time this text section is available. Okay. Add it one by one or block by block. Don't add in a query that will look like this. All right. I hope that makes sense. And then once done, you should be good to go. If that should work, lastly here, you'll head over to the three dots of your browser or three horizontal lines. Click on settings. Left panel, find privacy and security. Scroll down, find third-party cookies, importantly. All right. So scroll down and find see all site data and permissions. Now find ChatGPT. And sometimes there'll be a lot of ChatGPT or OpenAI right here. You gotta want to find them, delete, delete, find ChatGPT, delete, and delete as well. And then once that's done, close the browser entirely, reopen it, open up ChatGPT, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is how you fix ChatGPT error in body stream. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.